Hey everybody, welcome and congratulations if you bought yourself the brand new iPad Pro. We're going to be setting it up, so I'm going to be taking out my beautiful iPad Pro 12.9 inch, 5th generation. Let's take this out, and while we power it on, what we're going to do, we start with the top button right here, upper corner, hold it down till you see an apple show up. There we go. Now let go of that. While that's loading up, take your old iPad, your old iPhone, but most likely your old iPad. If you're going to be switching from one iPad to the other, pick whatever device it is that you want to go from this to that, and go into your settings, gears right there, and upper left, look at the upper left. This is where your Apple ID is going to be. Tap in there, and over here is where you're going to be putting in your Apple ID and password. So make sure you know your password, and also come down here to where it says iCloud. Tap iCloud, and then start deciding what you're going to be transferring to your other iPad. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in notes, and I turned off all these other ones here, and then turn on your iCloud backup. And make sure that your iCloud has been backed up. I've got mine done 12/37. So very important, whatever device you want transferred to your new iPad, make sure it's backed up. All right, so once you've done that, get that out of the way. And then bring your iPad Pro over, and we're gonna start the setup right now. Go English, United States. Now manually, you can do it where you put in your Apple ID like I said, but they have this feature also where you can just scan. So what I'm going to do is sign into my iPad Pro, and we're going to take out the iPad. By the way, it's got USB-C charger now. Much faster, much better. Okay, here we go. So when you tap this, you're going to have a scan show up here. So you see how my old iPad has here, use your Apple ID to set up your new iPad. So we're going to continue. And there is your scan. So you see that? And what you're going to do is you're going to align the camera over that scan area. Let's see if I can do this. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. I'm going to find it. It would help if you know where the camera is, right? There we go. Got it. Once it connects, it just instantly starts transferring. So keep this iPad near your new iPad while your information is being transferred. And be patient, because this is probably going to take up to an hour or more. So what you want to do is just put in here, follow the prompts. So you're going to have accessibility options, more Wi-Fi, store, continue, and then enter your password from your other iPad, and just follow the walkthrough. It's pretty much done. Your iPad's probably going to need a software update. Now they're running the 15 right now, 15.2 if I remember, and you're going to need to update it. So whatever it says for you to do, just go ahead and do it. But Face ID, each and every step, just follow what it says. Rotate the portrait. After your Face ID is set up, you've moved your head around in a few circles, go on to the next one. Let's see what it says here. You can directly transfer your data during setup or finish downloading it later. What we want to do is transfer directly, so this iPad will be ready with your data when you finish setting up. So what we're going to do is transfer it now. You're going to put in your Apple ID. And you can see they're both communicating with each other right now. Terms and conditions, going to hit agree. And if you bought the iPad as a gift, you're going to give it to somebody, just whatever device they want to transfer to this. It could be an iPhone, it could be an older iPad, it doesn't matter. Whichever one you choose. So they are both communicating at this time. My new iPad has 61% battery already in it. Might be a good idea to plug everything in while you're doing this. But we're going to make this the new iPad. Here's everything set up as you had it on your other iPad. We're going to continue. You got your previous card, your Apple Cash. Adding a card so you can buy on Amazon. You can do your shopping while you're cruising on the iPad. Card added, beautiful. Setting up Apple Cash. You can send money. You can donate to this video and donate to my cause. I appreciate it. I'll be able to do more of these videos. Thank you for your support. Add this to the wallet later. Let's do that later. Siri, we're going to go ahead and set up Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Rock and roll. Really loud. Siri will recognize your voice whenever you say, hey Siri. Hit continue. Improve. Nah, I'm not going to share my audio. They'll be too embarrassed. Okay, folks, so this is at the point that we've been wanting to go through. It takes the longest time is when you get to this. So again, congratulations on having your iPad Pro or whatever iPad you got. Make sure you subscribe. I'm going to be doing an iMaps, Apple Maps update. It's incredible what the new Apple Maps is all about. So make sure you check that out. Leave a comment on the bottom if you have any questions. And again, congratulations on your new iPad. See you on the next one.